Okay, this is part 2 of my 720 rendering tour of my client's mother-in-law suite. And so this is the bedroom area. If you didn't catch the first part, go back real quick and catch that video of the foyer, the open floor plan, living room, dining room, kitchenette, and the bathroom. And we'll wait for you while you catch up on that. I promise we'll still be here. So this is the bedroom area. And you can see we did the mural, and we did make some adjustments. We made the mural a little bit shorter and put instead some trellis on the wall on either side, and with the mural in between. It looks really cute. And some cute nightstands on the other side of the bed with reading lamps. And then we're doing let's take a, that's wrong. I'm sorry there. Let's go to the other side of the bedroom. Just get another view of the bed. And I did put in windows in the bedroom and the bathroom that would allow more light into these rooms and make it feel less like you're underground, get you more natural daylight into these rooms. And again, I'm using a lot of her own artwork that she has, or bringing it into this space. And then let's go into her walk-in closet. And we're doing a custom closet area with space for a vanity or a small desk, and also space at the other end for laundry. And my client was super excited that I was able to fit laundry into the space, so she doesn't have to go upstairs and share with her family. And so that's the end of the tour. We're back, takes us back to square one. So I hope this gives you an idea of what the software that I use can do when you're trying to visualize the space that you want to create for yourself. Thank you for taking the time to see this video all the way through. And please contact me if you'd like to start a project or if you have any questions. My contact information is on my contact me page. So I look forward to talking with you.